I was looking for you. Before I explain to you why I had to interrupt your day, I need you to look at something. Wouldn't you agree something is missing?
Like a symbol.
That's it exactly. I want this festival to be remembered forever. And for that, I need a symbol that captures Arkersia's imagination. It will be unforgettable and perfect!
A festival symbol, huh? I don't know if I'll be of much help. I know nothing about the festivals in this world.
I heard some stories about Guardians. People say they're bigger than a Cyclops.
Do they attack people too?
Some of them do, and some of them don't.
I guess life isn't so easy here either.
I heard there are people with wings.
I heard about them too. They're called the Lazarus.
So they fly around? Oh, do you think there are any around here? I'd love to see one.
Ah, it's you. I saw a picture of it. There were no wings. Oh, right. It had horns and 4 legs. I don't think it breathes fire. And it jumps a lot to avoid attacks. Yes, it's white, and it lives somewhere cold. So that's what it's called. You know a lot about them.
Well, you've satisfied Ciri's curiosity. Not bad.
Limited offer for festival visitors only.
Oh, hey, I'm serious.
Not the time for it. We're supposed to be coming up with ideas.
Flames, maybe. Some ever-burning flames.
Or a loot statue?
How about a swallow? We need a better idea.
I have the finest silk.
working. Geralt, why don't you try using one of yours? I was doing some experiments on that Mokoko doll.
It's almost indestructible. Quite amazing, to be honest.
I'm just glad I came to the festival.
Oh, excuse me. Aren't you mad?
You're finally here. By the gods. Good heavens! Look at that pose. It's perfect. And what's better, it's adorable! That's a great idea. Leave it to me, and it'll be done by the time you...